Just got back from the fabric store. Let's do a little haul. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chad. I'm your tall tailor. Today, I want to do a little fabric haul for you guys. I'm in between projects, so I have a lot of stuff to edit and it's gonna take a long time. So in the meantime, instead of like not dropping a video for like a couple weeks, I decided to drop a really simple video showing you guys some of the fabric I recently got. I'm making actually, what I'm making, don't worry about that. You guys gotta see that eventually. But first up, we have this wool cashmere blend. It does have a interfacing behind it. Very, very beautiful fabric. It's chocolate brown. I hope you guys can see it in the camera. Hopefully the lighting's all nice and stuff. First thing I noticed about this fabric, besides for the color, was just the consistency of the weave. If you look at the fabric, just like it's pretty perfect. Even the underside, like where they put the interfacing, really nice and perfect, very, very soft, and nice heavy weight as well. I got this fabric it was on sale for $30 a yard, so it's a little up there in terms of price, but I only got 1 yard because that's just what I needed it for, so it wasn't too bad. All right, next up, we got this maroon sort of quasi-iridescent fabric. It's got batting in between it, so you see this like little white thing. It's gonna give it a little bit more weight and warmth. Also got, I think I got a yard and a half of this. Really, really nice. Instead of being quilted in the regular like crosshatch kind of way, this is quilted in a paisley pattern. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought that was pretty cool. So let me see if I can show you guys on the camera. I'll put some B-roll. It's all these paisley stitching that sort of sticks everything together. I think that's really, really cool. It's sort of like a satiny type of fabric. I don't know exactly what the fabric's called, so don't quote me on that, but really, really beautiful, nice and thick, really great fabric. All right, next up is a first for me, actually. I got some cream leather. Oh, it looks kind of white in the fabric. It's not white, it's cream. It's kind of like an oatmeal color, and the grain of the leather looks really, really beautiful. It's cow leather, and because the back is blue, I assume it's chrome tan leather. It's not really blue, it's more like a bluish gray color, but I think that means that it's chrome tan. I got 8 square feet of this leather. I'm just making a little thing out of it, so I didn't need too much. I don't know exactly how to press out leather to make it softer, not softer, but like less wrinkles in it, but I think I'll just look that up online or something. But yeah, first time I bought a whole bunch of leather. In the past, I bought like leather scraps or small pieces of leather because I didn't really need it for a big project, but this is the first time I bought like a really large amount of it. Next up, nothing too crazy, but I just bought some brown ribbing. So like this really thick stretched fabric, same color as the wool cashmere that you saw previously. Yeah, nothing really too much to say for this. Just pretty thick ribbing. Yeah, that's all the fabric I got for today. Next up, I'm gonna show you guys some fabric that I got a couple months ago. One fabric I have here for like a year in the past. Let's start off with this fabric. I got this fabric probably a year ago, and I'm now, I think more, even longer than a year ago, maybe a year and a half, but I'm gonna use it now for a project. It's like a flannel type of blue, green, red. The reason why I got it initially, I think it's because it was on sale. It was like really cheap. So I just thought I'd pick up a yard for it. And I didn't really have an idea in my mind of what to make. But I just kept it because, it was cheap. And now I'm gonna use it for something that's gonna be hopefully a good project. I'm just not gonna talk about it too much, but stay tuned. Next up, also another piece of fabric I got because it was on sale. I got this dark green, forest green satin. This was, I think, $3 a yard because it was the end of a roll. So stupid cheap, and I figured I might as well pick it up. Oh wait, there we go. Forest green satin, really nice and dark, very nice and soft. Yeah, just a yard of dark green satin. I got this fabric, I think for New Year's or Christmas around that time. This is I think it's from Ethiopia. My mom's friend actually got it for me. It's like is it from, I don't know if it's from Ethiopia, yo, don't even quote me on that, but it's got a whole bunch of patterns on it. It almost looks like patchwork fabric, but it's a whole bunch of different like floral patterns and like different types of different types of patterns. I don't know, maybe it's like cultural or something. I think it's really, really beautiful. It feels like satin. It might be a mixed blend of something, but I'm not too sure. So I got 2 yards, about 2 yards of this fabric. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. Honestly, I have no idea. I think I might make it into either like a top or something, or yo, some pants actually would be pretty fire. This would be pretty fire for pants. Anyway, or maybe even like a lining for like a jacket or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm just gonna hold on to it. Maybe something will come up in the future. Lastly, this fabric is from an online order. I haven't opened it yet. I'm making pants for a client and they ordered fabric. So it finally came like yesterday or early today. And yeah, let's just open it and see what it looks like. Wait. Why am I acting like I don't know what fabric this is? We discussed this beforehand. It's not a surprise to me. I don't know why I'm acting like that. It's like one of those like Burberry print fabrics. I think it's wool or like a cotton blend. Maybe it's like a cotton wool blend. It's actually a lot heavier than it looks. I got 2 yards of this because I'm gonna make some pants out of that. I'll show you guys that process later. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know which fabric you thought was the nicest. I haven't really seen any fabric hauls on YouTube. Maybe this will be like a new thing on this channel. I might do fabric hauls here and there, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll definitely be posting more stuff. I have, as I said, a lot of clips that I need to edit. I just wanted to do something really simple, really easy just to get out so I don't, you know what I mean? So I don't like not post anything on my channel. Let me know what your favorite fabric was in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.